Investing in precious metals. Tips for beginners. Hello, fellow investors. Welcome to today's insightful journey into the world of finance. In this video, we'll be delving into a topic that has intrigued and captivated investors for centuries: investing in precious metals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, understanding the dynamics of precious metals can be a valuable asset to your financial portfolio. Let's start with the basics. Precious metals, such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, have long been regarded as safe haven assets. Investors turn to these metals during times of economic uncertainty as a way to preserve wealth. So, what should beginners consider when entering the world of precious metal investments? Firstly, it's essential to comprehend the unique characteristics of each metal. Gold, for instance, is often seen as a hedge against inflation, while silver is prized for its industrial applications as well as its investment value. Platinum and palladium, on the other hand, are commonly used in the automotive industry, making them sensitive to global economic trends. Diversification is a key principle in any investment strategy, and precious metals play a vital role in achieving that. By adding these metals to your portfolio, you can reduce risk and enhance stability. They often move independently of traditional financial markets, providing a buffer against market volatility. Now, let's explore the various ways you can invest in precious metals. Physical ownership, such as buying gold coins or silver bars, offers a tangible asset you can hold. Alternatively, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mining stocks provide exposure to the precious metals market without the need for physical storage. Timing is crucial in the world of precious metal investments. Market trends, geopolitical events, and economic indicators all play a role in determining the opportune moments to buy or sell. Staying informed about these factors can empower you to make informed decisions and maximize your investment returns. As with any investment, it's essential to set clear goals and establish a long-term strategy. Precious metals can serve as a hedge against inflation and economic downturns, but they require patience and a strategic approach. Before diving into the market, research reputable dealers and investment platforms. Understanding transaction costs, storage fees, and liquidity is vital for making sound investment choices. Remember, knowledge is your most powerful tool in the world of investing. In conclusion, investing in precious metals can be a prudent strategy for both beginners and experienced investors alike. As you embark on your journey, stay informed, diversify wisely, and remember that patience is key in the world of precious metal investments. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of investing in precious metals. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing.